How to create zero point 0.5 on TikTok. To create a zero point 0.5 ultra wide video on TikTok, follow these simple steps. So now all you have to do is simply open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once inside the TikTok app, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new video. Then all you have to do is tap on the photos option available right next to the recording 15-second option available there. Navigate to the photos, simply slide it, and once you're in the photos section, you will get to see the ultra wide option available there. Now what you have to do is tap on the timer, then drag it to the 15 seconds or any seconds of song, then start it and start recording on the ultra wide of the TikTok. Then you can simply post it on your TikTok. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.